Hi guys, Sean from Gaslick. I've done a series of videos on breaking down a Worcester Green Star, explaining what the different parts do, how to take them apart, and how to throw them in a bin. I'm putting them all back together again, I'll tell you that. But I just want to talk to you about pumps. So, forgetting the different types of pumps, this is what we call like a Delta T pump built inside the boiler, and this will be modulated by the boiler to maintain a differential temperature into flow and return, and it tries to maintain 20 degrees difference on there. External pumps are just pressure pumps, so they're just circulation pumps. They work in various different ways, but they do work differently to these boiler pumps, but we'll go into that in another video. I just want to show you what it looks like on the inside really. So we do get called out quite a lot of poor heating systems. We've got radiators work lovely upstairs, but downstairs they're cold, and one of the things it can be is the pump. So hopefully you can see that in the light here outside. The water, when it's inside the housing, will go into here. Obviously the pump's spinning, so as it spins it flicks the water out of these edges. Can you see that there as it comes through? And then that's what then spits and circulates the water out. The problem we have, these are all nylon, but look how small those little waterways are. Now I've done various pictures and videos before of these blocks, but they don't take a lot to get a blockage in there. Now you can imagine if you had a couple of flakes of rubbish stuck into there, you could seriously reduce the water flow and efficiencies of the pump. This one looks all right, not too bad actually. Let's just obviously this whole thing's going in the bin, so sorry, not in the bin, out for recycling. So there we are, we've got that top bit off, and that's then what it looks like inside. So it goes into these little veins here and then flicks out. So the blockages we get tend to be in this area here, the most narrowest part. And if you get a lump of something there, even plumbing paste, that's why you never put too much on, and it can just block up there and go up. And you think we've only got here, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 of these. So we then start, that's only 12. So it wouldn't take a lot. If a couple of these got blocked, we'd drop like 10%. You know, we're down to 90% of the pump's capacity is now gone because 2 are blocked, or whatever the maths are. There's some more cleverer people out than me. And then if we start then getting, because this is only plastic, these start then getting broken because something hard's gone through there and it's got caught up and it's chipped and damaged it, then we start losing proper efficiencies there. So that's the inside of a pump, and then it goes round and round in circles like a little kaleidoscope. Okay guys, I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you very much. Goodbye.